When you're about to create a chart and you know the specific chart type that you want, rather than using shortcut methods that typically give you a clustered column chart, you might begin by first, of course, selecting the data, as we are in this worksheet here called Data Selection. I want to see this data in a chart. Going to the Insert tab in the ribbon, I want to create a line chart, and I know that ahead of time, so here's the button for Insert Line or Area Chart. If you are doing this, by the way, I recommend the fourth option here for two-dimensional line because you do get markers with it. And there we have a line chart. So not as fast as the other method, but we have this option of selecting different types. At another time, maybe with the same data highlighted, we go to the Insert tab. I'm clicking Line Chart, but along the way, possibly I'm rethinking this. So how about more line charts? There's some options this way. Now, not only do we see line charts displayed this way, but we then see the entire list of all chart types here. And by the way, there are a few that we don't see on the list that you'll encounter a bit later. So there are different kinds of charts we could pursue this way too. Sometimes those icons aren't as obvious as we want them to be, and we're not sure which one to click on. So we've got different choices here too. So not as fast as a shortcut method, but when you know a specific chart type that you're about to use, it's likely to be faster, at least more efficient to select the data and then on the Insert tab, click the appropriate button. Do recognize here too that most of these buttons serve double duty. The one in the upper left is for column or bar, the one below, line or area chart. Now the one below does say pie, but it also says donut chart. And by seeing the names here, at least sometimes it's a little intriguing, not always sure what the choices are. Here's one for tree map and sunburst, some new chart types, which we'll see in later movies. But recognize that a lot of these serve double duty. Histogram, box and whisker, Pareto charts, and so on. We see these out here. So we've got these 9 icons to lead us into other specific chart types. You'll learn a bit later, too, that sometimes when you create charts, it's real easy to change the chart type. So another approach to creating charts. You've got your data highlighted. You know which chart type you want. You go to the Insert tab and pick the chart type from there.